हरिः कर्ता।
So now let's see the difference between the correlation and covariance. So let's compare with using various parameters. First is definition. So correlation is a statistical measure that indicates how strongly two variables are related, whereas covariance is an indicator of the extent to which two random variables are dependent on each other. A higher number denotes higher dependency. Next, what values we will use to understand and measure the correlation and covariance. That's what the comparison on basis of values. Correlation is limited to values between the range -1 and +1. So -1 is negative, highly negatively correlated, and 0 is no correlation, and +1 is highly positively correlated. And when it comes to the covariance, the value of covariance lies in the range of -infinite and +infinite. And as the value higher the number denotes the higher dependency. So if it is a higher negative value, so higher negative covariance. If it is higher positive value, higher positive covariance. The change in scale, so the change in scale does not affect the correlation, but the change in scale affects the covariance. And then unit free measure, correlation is unit free measure, but covariance is not at all a unit free measure.